What up, Dave's Roadies? We are back at Epcot, and today, let's take a ride on one of the newer attractions in Walt Disney World, Frozen Ever After at the Norway Pavilion. Here we are at Epcot's World Showcase Norway Pavilion. A few years ago, the main boat ride here, known as Maelstrom, was completely redone to theme it after the movie Frozen. Thankfully, as you can see, the Norway Pavilion has still retained much of its authentic Norwegian architecture, ambiance, and food. As we go through the entrance, please remember to chokeslam that like button since it really helps me out. And please leave a comment and share this video. Click the subscribe button to my channel and click that bell icon to know when I post new videos and live streams. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram with the links in the description below. We rode this ride at early magic hours, and as you can see, the pavilion and ride were not busy at all. I highly recommend doing this ride at early magic hours if you want to save your fast passes for other things. The Disney Imagineers truly did a spectacular job of theming this ride in keeping with its Norwegian roots and incorporating many of the elements of the Frozen movie. As I mentioned earlier, there was no crowd for this ride at early magic hours. As a matter of fact, my family and I rode Frozen Ever After twice, back to back.
That's not good.
It's going too flat. More people can sit around. Now you're straight. Oh, is it wet? A little wet? Yeah. Save the ride.
It's frozen. It's right here. Here we go.
Hands on, relax. Inside out there. And watch your little ones, ja? Las tu seguridad. Mantenga las manos y brazos. Y pies y piernas. And then from the mountain.
My hands are wet.
Yeah, it's a little wet.
I'm good now.
Build a snowman. Come on, I know you do. Us has made a magic winter show with summer snow for spending me and you. Oh, we're going up to Elsa's ice palace with you and you and you, all of you. See you there.
See you, Belle.
On a day very much like today, on our faith consisted with an unselfish act of true love and thought of Frozen.
Oh, and now they're best friends.
Welcome back. Please remain seated until your boat comes to a complete stop at the dock. You are asked to get out to the right, yeah? Bye-bye now. Bye-bye. Please remain seated.
Hey guys, velkommen tilbake. Please watch your step as you exit to the right.
Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.
This way. After our ride has ended, we walk through a long hallway to several connected shops, such as the Wandering Reindeer and the Fjording. You can enter the Fjording store to the left, and in it you will find many cool items relating to the country of Norway, such as Viking helmets, ship replicas, and even history books. Heh, you might even find some troll stuff. The Wandering Reindeer basically has every possible toy, plush, book, mug, and clothes that are tied to the movie Frozen, including its characters such as Anna, Elsa, and Olaf. When you exit this store, you'll come back to the main square in Norway, and there are other stores as well as restaurants to check out. As we sign off at Future World's Intervention Fountain, I really hope you enjoyed this ride video and tour. Stay tuned for more rides and other videos coming soon from Walt Disney World as well as other places. Until then, my roadies, laters.